Okay, so hi guys, we're back and we've got our 12-page document here. We can see all the pages. I'm just going to hold Control Plus to zoom in. It's probably a really useful shortcut for you guys to remember. And the other shortcut that I think is really useful is if you hold spacebar, by default you've got this selection tool selected, which is really useful, but if you hold spacebar, you get this hand icon and you can just click and drag and move around your workspace much more easily. So I think that's really useful to know. Yeah, we've got a 12-page document. It's a beautiful template, but we need to start adding some stuff to it. So I think what we should do is maybe add some text and some images. I'll show you how to add text first. So we go to the type tool, and we can't just start typing. We need to click and drag out a frame to put the typing in. And I might just type in my name, Adrian Stojkovic. Okay, and that looks kind of not that great. Okay, so what do we do to fix it? All right. So we've actually got a few panels or windows or tabs or whatever that we can use to edit our text, but I'm going to use the properties panel. The properties panel will show whatever is relevant to whatever I've got selected. And in this case, I've got a text frame selected. So it's showing me, it's showing me all my text tools. Excuse me, okay, too much Cadbury chocolate, I think. Okay, so, yeah, so our text doesn't look very good. It's really, really small. Now, in Word, you would select the text to change its properties. So you would highlight it and then, you would change its size or something like that. In InDesign, you don't need to do that. You can just have the entire text frame selected and then you can quickly change the size of the text that you've got. Okay, you can do all sorts of other stuff here, and I might let you guys sort of experiment with it a little bit instead of just explaining everything. But obviously, yeah, you can you can choose all different fonts, you can choose properties of the font. Usually there's more of them than just bold, but I guess I've picked a random mermaid text that is not really that great for that. One thing that I find super useful is the kerning. So this is something you'll probably want to do, especially if you've got serif fonts, which are these ones that have like, these little flourishes on the end of each letter, these little pokey outy bits. I like to use kerning. So this is that VA icon here. If you select that, it will increase the space between the letters and your text will just look a lot cleaner. Now, with InDesign, we've got the frame and we've got the text, right? So I could grab this text and if I drag it towards the center of the page, a couple of purple lines appear. And what I've done is I've grabbed this text frame and I've centered it exactly in the middle of the page. But there's a problem. My text isn't actually centered in the text frame. So even though the text frame is centered, the text is off to the left, as you can see. So we could do a couple of things. We could go to this paragraph tool and go align center, and then at least our text is aligned to the center, but it's still too high. It's not, I could make this even more. If I make the text frame even bigger, you can sort of see. You can see because the text frame has all this space under it, the text is still not centered on the page. So what we want to do is once we've got our text looking good, we can right click on it and go fitting and then fit frame to content. And then when the frame is perfectly around the content that we've got, this time when we go to center it, it should be exactly in the center of the page. Now you may not necessarily want it there, but that's how that's something to keep in mind, that when you're moving things around in InDesign, you're actually kind of, and when you're aligning things, it's actually aligning the entire frame, not the content of the frame. So when you're creating in InDesign, if you were doing something in Word, like let's say we try to type into this now and we go, okay, I want to make a space and then go title. Okay, nothing happened. That's because the frame isn't changing to match the text that you've got. I did type it there, but you can't see it because the text frame is so small. Now, if you've got a little red plus icon here on your screen, that means there's text, within that text frame that you can't see. If you click on it, you can, it'll automatically grab a second text frame and like link it. So these two are linked, even though, so if I were to start typing into this one, it'll actually appear in the next frame. But yeah, probably the best thing for you guys to do, since you're not handling a whole lot of text, is to just create your frame for your text, and then you should probably create separate frames for your title and subtitle or anything, if you've got multiple bits of text on a page. Let's go title. Let's make this text a bit smaller because we probably want our subtitle to be, a bit smaller. Oh, I've got even more text after that I totally forgot I'd even typed. Let's go backspace and get rid of that too. And H for Stojkovic. Okay, and then let's make this, I don't know, not that. That looks terrible. Actually, they all kind of look, that all looks pretty bad. Maybe I'll go Minion Pro. Okay, and then I'll make this quite big. Okay, and as I mentioned before, this is the kind of text that really suits kerning. So I'll do that, and I will go right click, fitting, fit frame to content, and now I can put this title right in the center of the page, and I can put the subtitle under it. So that is how you work with text in InDesign. Okay, that's it for this one then. Catch you in the next one. Bye.